Keeping a steady pace, unlock the power of persistence. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, keep a steady pace. Understanding this phrase is not just about adding to your vocabulary. It's about embracing a concept that can be applied in various aspects of life. So, whether you're learning for academic purposes, improving your professional skills, or just curious about English idioms, you're in the right place. Let's explore what it means to keep a steady pace and how you can use it in your daily communication. Keep a steady pace is a phrase that combines two key concepts, keep and a steady pace. To keep something in this context means to maintain or continue without change. A steady pace, on the other hand, refers to a constant and consistent speed or progress. When combined, this phrase encourages maintaining a consistent speed or level of progress in whatever you're doing. It's often used to advise against rushing too quickly or moving too slowly, but finding a balance that is sustainable over time. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be applied in various contexts. In education, when studying or learning a new skill, keeping a steady pace means not trying to learn everything at once but spreading out your study sessions to gradually improve without burning out. In work, at your job, it might mean managing your tasks so that you're consistently productive without periods of inactivity or overwhelming stress. In physical activities, for runners or anyone engaged in physical exercise, it literally means maintaining a consistent speed to avoid exhaustion and ensure endurance. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can significantly improve your English communication, especially when giving advice or sharing personal experiences. Adopting the principle of keeping a steady pace in your life can have profound benefits. It encourages a balanced approach to challenges, ensuring that you're making progress without compromising your health, relationships, or other responsibilities. It's about finding that sweet spot of effort that is both effective and sustainable. This concept, deeply embedded in the phrase, is a valuable life lesson on patience, persistence, and the power of consistency. And there you have it, the essence of keeping a steady pace. It's more than just an English phrase. It's a principle that, if applied, can lead to more balanced, productive, and fulfilling life experiences. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you'll be able to incorporate this concept into your language and your life. Thanks for watching, and remember, learning English is not just about the words. It's about connecting with ideas that transcend languages and cultures. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep a steady pace in all your endeavors. See you in the next video.